Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today I want to talk about Coinbase, a company which is now trading at practically one fifth or one sixth the valuation that it had when it launched an IPO. Coinbase was co-founded by a man called Brian Armstrong, who is supposed to be one of the early devotees of cryptocurrency. In 2010, Brian Armstrong was running an e-learning app, and when he came across the original white paper which promoted Bitcoin by that reclusive Japanese engineer. He read the paper and he had an idea. People could buy Bitcoin, but they needed a place to store it. And he had the startup that would give a place where Bitcoin could be stored. So that's how Coinbase started. And Coinbase started in 2012 as a place to store Bitcoins. And then when people wanted to trade Bitcoins, he started Coinbase Exchange. Coinbase rapidly grew in size. As the craze for cryptocurrencies grew, it became America's largest trading platform. And he did not stop there. He was very ambitious, very aggressive. He added hundreds of new employees across geographies. He moved in unorthodox management styles with staff pushback. He recruited staff all around the world and kept on recruiting. In fact, he tried to grow extremely fast by adding new products and new services. In fact, every new coin was listed in Coinbase. There was something called the initial coin offering, in which Coinbase specialized in. Then, even when the crypto market started to weaken, Coinbase continued to add people left, right, and center, and it moved in extremely aggressively. So, as Coinbase expanded, the warning signs were there that the day crypto got into trouble, the Coinbase would also get into trouble. In 2021, Coinbase went for an IPO. In the IPO, it listed very successfully, and the company was valued at $86 billion. Fred Fellaham, another co-founder in Coinbase, decided it was time to cash out, and he left, leaving Brian Armstrong in charge. Brian Armstrong used to concentrate on technology and work very late hours, and hence return to office Monday at 10 a.m. He is supposed to have a degree in economics and an MBA from Rice University in Houston. And he thought that in creating a private currency exchange, he was really promoting libertarian politics. The first clash came when the Securities and Exchange Commission of America decided that some of the coins and products that were traded in the exchange were not coins, were not crypto, but were actually securities. And the permission to trade in securities was not granted to Coinbase. And therefore, whatever Coinbase was doing was illegal. This meant a lot of inquiry and scrutiny from the regulator. This could lead to potentially very high fines and crippling penalties for Coinbase. But even if it gets away lightly, there is also a problem in listing future coins, because if the Securities Exchange Commission treats a coin as a security, then Coinbase simply does not have the license to trade in them. And when the Bitcoin started to collapse, at one point nearly was down 75 to 80%. It has since recovered, but still Bitcoin is down more than 50% from its peak valuations. This has meant that volumes have dried up in exchanges like Coinbase, and therefore Coinbase is not being profitable. There is also a competitor called Binance, which used an innovative management structure to start an Indian subsidiary, which has also been cracked down. India is potentially a huge market for Coinbase. And when he attended a conference in Bangalore, Brian Armstrong said that the crackdown in India was severe, and people who had already invested in cryptocurrencies, could end up losing them. So the pushback from China and India, which are two major markets for crypto trading, and along with the correction in the price of Bitcoin, made it sure that Coinbase was in serious trouble. Today, Coinbase is valued at $12 billion market cap, nearly one-sixth of its peak valuation of $86 billion. And hundreds and thousands of workers across the globe have been laid out of Coinbase, and there is no respite. If unless crypto prices rebound and increase and trading volumes increase, there is no prospect of Coinbase making money or succeeding. Coinbase, because of its unorthodox management and very rapid expansion, has a very high expense to meet every week or every month. The volumes at this point of down in crypto trading are down 90%, and Coinbase cannot simply sustain itself on such low volumes because the trading commissions are not even enough to cover expenses. Unless there is a rethink and pullback in crypto prices and people flock to trade again, the possibility of Coinbase becoming big is remote. If there is no pullback in cryptocurrency prices and the current state of homeostasis continues in the crypto market, Coinbase will soon run out of business because even after the cutbacks, the commissions generated in current crypto trades are not enough to sustain costs. It also does not help that Brian Armstrong does not communicate and does not want to speak much in investor conferences. He has always been a shy person, and there is a rumor, there is a report which he says with a new hire who was the legal head of Coinbase, he sat in a room and both of them chatted over Google documents while facing each other without uttering a word. These kind of stories make it more difficult for Coinbase to bounce back. The future of Coinbase depends on whether the crypto market would bounce back. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this content, kindly hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for To Be Rich. Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. I am visiting the historic town of Trichy on the 27th of August. We are planning to hold a meeting in Trichy where I get to meet my subscribers and people who follow me on social media. This will be a live interaction with my friends, followers and subscribers of my channel. It is very interesting. We have had several events in various small towns of Tamil Nadu. If you wish to participate in that event, a WhatsApp number is given below. You may contact us on that WhatsApp number, or you could drop an email to the address given below. My team will respond to you. I hope to see you in Trichy on the 27th of August at 6 p.m. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.